friends, I'm Manisha, and today in this video I'm going to explain you about PTE tips. So firstly, the short description about PTE. What is PTE and where it is applicable? PTE is Pearson Test of English. That is applicable over there in Australia if you are migrating over there or if you want to get the PR. And PTE is also applicable in Australia if you are going over there for study purpose. It is also applicable in some of other countries except Australia for the study purpose, but for the PR one, it is mandatory there. Now, question arises that what exactly inside this? The same you have 4 skills, what you people have in IELTS, like reading, writing, listening and speaking. Some people have that myth in their mind that PT is really easy examination as comparison to IELTS. But my friends, here I'm going to tell you that it's not that much easy than IELTS. Don't take that myths or don't get into the rumors that is there in the market. Though PT is more scoring than IELTS, that we can say this one is correct. So here in this video, I'm going to explain you about PTE tips for speaking session. The first session you have in PTE, that is of speaking. Now in PTE, you have individual sections and individual questions. Related to that sections, first section I'm going to explain you, that is speaking. In speaking, you have further 5 questions, right? The first question you have read aloud. Now, for this read aloud, the people will provide you 40 seconds to just read or analyze that what exactly is there in front of you, that is in the form of paragraph. In the examination, you'll get one paragraph, 1 to 2, 3 sentences long. Here, they're going to provide you 40 seconds to analyze that, and after that, 40 seconds they will provide you to speak that in your words. Whatever is written over there, you have to speak as it is. Now, what they're going to check in this? First thing is that they're going to check your oral fluency, how fluent you are. Second, they're going to check your pronunciation, how to pronounce the word. Third one, they're going to check your intonations, right? It means where is comma, where is punctuations, where is semicolon, what type of pauses you are taking at that time. They're going to check inside read aloud. It's really easy, very much scoring. Now, come over there to repeat the sentence. In repeat the sentence, there will be a not conversation. There will be a single sentence that one person will speak. You have to listen that single sentence, and that single sentence will long for maximum 6 seconds. Right? So, after 6 seconds, what's going to be there? Microphone will automatically open and you have only 10 seconds to repeat the same sentence word to word. For example, in the examination, you have the tense like the United States of America always have more non-native students than foreign tourists. Now, what I have spoken, you have to repeat the same sentence with same wording, right? Now for this one, I told you the sentence will be only 6 seconds long, but they're going to provide you 10 seconds to speak that. Within 10 seconds, you have to speak and make that thing clear, students, in your mind. At that time, if you don't speak anything, within a 3 seconds of the microphone will open, the microphone will automatically shut down. So it means within a 3 seconds, you have to speak anything from your mouth. Now come over there to the third one, that is describe the image. It's little tricky over there inside that. Whatever the image will be displayed in front of you, you have to describe that image in your words. Now for this one, you have only 25 seconds to analyze the image, that what exactly the image is, and they're going to provide you 40 seconds to speak that what is there inside the image. Image can any be like diagram, pie chart, the life cycle of butterfly or the life cycle of any of the animal, or maybe the flow charts that people are going to provide you, or the flow charts related to professionalism, hierarchies and all. So through this one, they're going to provide you only 25 seconds to see or look at that image, and after that they're going to provide you 40 seconds to repeat or describe that image in your own words. Now in fourth one, you have retell the lecture. Here the lecture will play for 1 minute 30 seconds or 1 minute 45 seconds. You have to listen that lecture thoroughly, and side by side you have to go for notes. You have to write down the notes as it is in sequence. Again, I'm telling you friends, whatever the conversation or whatever the lecture will be there, you have to write the keywords in sequence. The keywords will not be like that. Let's suppose they have talked about 1971 and after that they have talked about 1986. But you spoke 1986 earlier one and 1971 after that. So don't do that one. Speak in sequence. Here they're going to check your pronunciation, they're going to check your grammar over there inside that one, and how deeply you got concentration over there on that retell the lecture. It's little difficult as comparison to other parts. Last one is their answer short question. The simple questions will be there in front of you, like what we can say to that thing which have 4 equal sides. That's called square. So these type of questions may be related to mathematics, mental maths, may be related to science, may be related to history. Any type of question they're going to ask you and you have to speak that. Sometimes people provide you some image. Let's suppose the image is there in which one person is playing the guitar. So the question is there, what that person is playing. Obviously, answer will be the guitar, a guitar. Right? So you have to go for the determiners at that time. So this is all basic about PTE tips for speaking. If you want to go in detail of each question, how you're gonna score maximum marks inside that one, this is just a basic tip I have explained you. If you want to go for the maximum marks, like for the PR one, you have 79 plus marks. It means the minimum requirement is there for 79 plus. Right? But the overall marks you have in PTE, that is 90. So in my next videos, I'm gonna explain you that how you're gonna score maximum marks in these structures. So if you want get to know, and if you're not scoring well over there in your speaking session, so do subscribe my channel and go over there for rest of the tips and tricks in detail of PTE. Thank you.